Hey guys, we are going to study today how to install Jenkins. So you might have seen previous videos, but then today we'll be installing the current release of Jenkins. So what we will be doing, we'll be clicking on this, we'll be searching in Google, Jenkins download and install. We'll be getting this particular link. Click on this link. Then you create an AWS EC2 server. Okay, if you don't know how to create an EC2 server, you can go to our YouTube channel and see how to create an EC2 server. Our YouTube channel is named with LwpLabs. Search in YouTube, go and subscribe. There are multiple videos there in which you will be getting EC2 server, how to create. I can also pin it in the I button. So this is my EC2 server. We'll switch to root. Okay, switch to root. From EC2 user to root. Once you log in, if you don't know how to log into a server, again, this video is there in YouTube or in our lms.lwplabs.com. You can go, there are free videos. The link I will be giving in the description. You can see how to log into the server. Now, once you come here and you have the documentation, you go here and click on this installing Jenkins. And then here you see there is Linux. Click on this Linux. This is a Red Hat server. How will you know? Cat etc Red Hat release. And you see it's a Red Hat release 9.2. So you click on this. Then you see the video is there. You can see this video to install. Or you can go ahead. Here you see there is a steps, which are very pretty easy steps. We are going to install long-term release. There are two kinds of releases in Jenkins, long-term and weekly release. Weekly release is for generally plugin developers. So we are not Jenkins plugin developer, but we are going to use Jenkins as a CI tool in our CICD architecture. So as it is a continuous integration tool, so we'll be using it for long-term, okay, at least 12 weeks. So we'll be using this particular release. And then we will come here and we'll run this command. Copy this command till here. So what it is going to do, this command is going to run, and it is going to add the Jenkins repo in the so when I run this command, say I get wget command not found. So what I will do, I will install wget, and then I'll show you what exactly this command do. So first let us install wget. The command is yum install wget -5. -5 means yes. It's a non-interactive way to install wget. Now we will run a command called yum repo list. Once we run the command, if you see there is no Jenkins repository added here. What is repository in detail we will explain, okay, in the next video. But then for you to understand, there is no repository added here, Jenkins repository, so that yum can find it. So for it to find, we will add the Jenkins repo manually. Now, if you run the command, you will find that Jenkins repo is added. Now with this, we will first, Jenkins repo is added, but now we need to run a command to add the key. Okay. Once we add the key, it is also asking you to upgrade it. You can go and upgrade it, but I will say don't upgrade now. We'll do it later. You can directly run this command. We'll see first if this command is working or not. So what it is doing, it is installing the Java 11 OpenJDK. Now, once that is done, you will install the Jenkins. So Jenkins, to install Jenkins, Java is required. Okay, so Java 11 is a prerequisite for Jenkins installation. So we'll quickly run that command and install Java, which we installed. Okay, I'm not running the yum upgrade because it's going to do the upgrade thing. Okay, I can run that, but it will take a lot of time, which I don't want to take. Let's see. If it's not working, then we will run this upgrade. Okay, we will install Jenkins. So it is like 2.4.011. This is the latest version. So let us install it. Pretty simple. So we install the Jenkins. Okay. Now once that is done, we will try to reload the daemon. Okay. Now we see if Jenkins is up or not. It's not up. So let us up the Jenkins. Start. So we are starting the Jenkins, service Jenkins start. All this command you need to understand, like what is this command doing? Okay, what is this command doing? Okay, now this is like to see the process. Now this command is to start the daemon. Okay, now let us see. It is taking some time. Meanwhile, it is taking some time. What we will do, Jenkins runs at port 8080. So what we will do, we'll go and open the port 8080. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll come here and this is the security group of that particular server. We'll click on this security group. We'll click on this edit inbound rule. We'll add a rule. We'll make it 8080. Okay. And we will add it for, open it for anywhere. Save a rule. Okay. So we can also, if your IP can be IPv4 IP or can be IPv6. So you should also open IPv6. So currently we are opening it for all, which is not a good practice. Again, we are opening it for all, but then that's okay. We have opened it. Now we'll go here. We see that Jenkins is started. We'll quickly run the previous command and we'll see that, okay, Jenkins process is now up and running. Previously, it was not there. Now, once the Jenkins process is up and running, it is running at a port 8080. So what we will do, we'll try to get the public IP. Okay, this is the public IP. If config.me, curl it. Okay, go to the browser, give the public IP and give 8080, enter. Once you give this, it will ask, Jenkins is giving you that this unblock message. To unlock the Jenkins, you need to copy this and cat it. So what you will do, you will go to the server, cat this file, get this code. Okay, double click, will copy, paste. Once you paste, continue. Okay, then it is saying install suggested plugin, selected plugin. Just install the suggested plugins. It will take some time. Okay, so I pause the video. Now the plugins are installed. Okay, so once the plugins are installed, automatically you will get this. Okay, so continue as admin or save and continue. Just give here some username and password. Save and continue. Okay, this will be the URL. Save and finish. Start your Jenkins. Okay, so your Jenkins is started. Now you can, let's create a test job. It's a freestyle job. Okay. Okay. Now we will also see how to create a declarative kind of a pipeline, how to create some other kind of a pipeline like Groovy script, okay, pipeline scripts, multi-branch pipeline. There are a lot of things in Jenkins, but this is like the basic. Once after you do this, okay, just try to echo this is my test job. Okay, once you do this, save. So now once you do this, build now, and you see that the build job will be running and it is successful. You should see that this is my test job. Now this is done. Okay, you are good.